Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another episode. As you can see, that's my guy H from Car Key and Repair. I'll put his details down below. We are resurrecting an old build. Old build? Sounds a bit weird. But guys, it's a lovely, hot summer's day here in London and I am resurrecting this old build. If you know, you know. But if you don't, allow me to remind you why I'm so gassed up about this car. This is the super cheap BMW E93 convertible, and yeah, this has been sat for a year. We started this build last year and we just stopped. Akil had to get a new key made for it because we actually lost the key. We couldn't find the key in the garage anywhere for months and months and months. Other things took precedence and here we are. But check it out. Enjoy this little reminder and then I'll catch up with you once you're done.
So this is the way the car looks as of today, and this is where we need to continue from. However, it never looked like this when we first got it. And if you don't know about this build, we've done 9 episodes. That's right, 9 episodes to get it to this stage. This is the way we got the car. It was an absolute mess. The roof didn't work, the gearbox didn't work, and there was a ton of damage. We had to swap out the damaged door because there was no fixing that. And then I managed to source just these 2 little relays from BMW for 12 quid, and that got the roof to work. So things were going great. After that, we had to sort out the gearbox, and then we found there was a massive hole in the sump, so all the oil was missing. So we fixed that, and guess what? That got the car to start driving and engaging in the gearbox, so everything was going great. We fitted a new set of headlights, but then we noticed that something just wasn't right when we tried to drive the car. Upon further inspection, we found a broken wishbone underneath, and I went ahead and I swapped that out with a brand new one. With all of that done, the car was now taking shape, so we turned our attention to the bodywork. Akil went ahead and got the dent puller and started to repair some of the dents all around the body. And then my guy Angus came in with a little bit of filler, a little bit of primer. We fitted a new replacement M-Sport bumper, and this is it. And this brings us back to today. This is the car as it stands, and now we get to continue this build.
Alright guys, the sun is out in London. It's a nice warm day and it's super sunny, and this car just deserves to be driven and enjoyed. So have a look. The interior is an absolute mess. We changed this door and we didn't put the door card back on, so we're going to take the car inside. The guys have already started all the water sanding on this rear panel. We're going to get that door all tidied up. We got to flat sand all of this and get it all prepped for paint. My guy here is going to help out. Now, one of the reasons why we left it for so long is there's just so much little nicks and damages, and it just needed the entire car being sprayed. Look, this wing, bonnet, bumper, that wing, that door, that panel. The only thing that we don't need to spray is this roof here. So the roof is not working again.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, so after messing around and I cleared a few codes, the engine light has come back on, but check this out, I think I've cracked it. Pull it up, you can hear that. Have a look. Alright guys, there we have it. We've given it a little wash. It's not the finished article, but you can see that behind all of the rubbish, all of the gunk, there's a lovely car hidden behind all of that crap. We're gonna unearth it. Interior still needs to get a full valet, but for now we're getting it prepped for paint, so I don't care about that because it's gonna get even more dirty. So we're gonna sort that out later on. But as you can see, guys, the car's coming together. Right, let's get the car back in the garage and we'll continue the paint prep. There you go, guys. So have a look. We got the bumper nice and sanded with the DA and by hand. We went ahead the entire car, we scuffed it, we sanded it, we made sure that everything is nice and smooth. Have a look at that quarter. Like I said at the beginning of this video, if you haven't seen episodes 1 to 9 on this build to show you how we got to this stage, I know we've got a lot of new subscribers, so guys, please go check it out because we're gonna wrap up this episode here, and in the next episode, which is gonna be the finale on this build, we're gonna be spraying it. We're waiting for the paint. The paint didn't come in time today, so this is where we're gonna end this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. The cheap budget BMW E93, which we bought for £1,000, is almost ready, and it's been a year in the making, and I'm gonna be enjoying this car over the final months of summer. So I am happy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, press the like button and subscribe, turn your bells on, and make sure you tune in to the last episode on this build to see how that paint job is gonna come out. We're gonna be doing something nice with the wheels. You know what, actually, get in the comments and tell me what color we should spray this car. So one of the things is, this car used to be silver. When we got it, it was white, so we haven't got a paint code. We were just gonna choose a random nice color, and I want you guys to get involved. So get in the comments right now and tell me what color you think I should spray this BMW E93, and if it's a good color, we'll go with it. You choose, let me know, stay tuned, and like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one. Guys, thank you for watching. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Click here to watch one of my previous episodes. And like it said there, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We out.